Before we hit the road, let's make sure your car is safe. Why don't we get in? Looks like you've got good tires, 2 rear view mirrors, brake lights, front and rear turn signals, seat belts, an emergency brake, a horn, and a clean windshield with no obstructions or cracks. You need 2 more things.
Gasoline and road map?
That would help. But on the legal side, you need current registration and proof of insurance. On the safety side, you also need to be familiar with your vehicle. So can you show me your headlight switch, windshield wipers, front defroster, emergency hazard lights? And do you know your arm signals?
Of course. There's right, left, and stop.
Excellent. I think we're ready to go.